Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device. And once you open it up, after the game has been fully loaded, you will see the terms and conditions. Tap on the agree button and watch the game intro. You can skip it if you wish, and you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels for the game. Once you complete the basic tutorial levels, tap on the gear icon at the bottom section from the main menu, and now you will see the account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on create new account. Tap on the confirm button, and then proceed forward by either using your Facebook or your Google Play account. And once you are signed up, all of your progress will now be saved within this account. You can go back to the account settings menu, and you will find that you have now been signed up either through your Google Play Games or your Facebook account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Lords Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.